Okay.
Needs help getting in.
Bury it right there. Can you get it? Get it. It's in there. Go ahead, get it. Do you feel it? Look, it's in there. Somewhere it's in there. It's in there. Somewhere. Can you get it? Find it. See if you can find it.
Yeah, but I have to touch sand.
It's in there. Yeah, it's somewhere down there. It's somewhere in there. You don't have to worry about it. It's in here somewhere right there. You see it? Can you get it? Can you get it? It's down here. Can you dig for it? Dig down.
Doesn't feel bad, honey.
Get it.
It's good. It's okay to get dirty.
It's down here. Can you get it? It's down there. You feel it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's in there somewhere. It's okay. Look, it's in here. Oh, I found it. It's okay. Oh, you're gonna use my hand? Get it. It's somewhere down there. Go get it.
Why do you keep burying it?
Get it. Get it. Use your hand. Look at it.
Use yours.
Use your hand. It's okay. Stop being a wimp. It's just sand. Look at it. Look at it. It's right there. You see it? Ooh, good job.
No,
Look, because you got sand on your hand, it's not a big deal. Look at it. It doesn't hurt you.
Sure.
I got it.
You got it.